Question number 18. W squared plus 12W minus 40 is equal to 0. Which of the following is a solution to the given equation? So first let us write down the equation. W squared plus 12W minus 40 is equal to 0. What we can do is first add 40 to both sides. So we will be left with W square plus 12W is equal to 40. Then if we try to solve this by completing the square, for that if you take this 12 and divide by 2, we get a 6. That means we have to add 6 square to both sides to form the completing the square option. That is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b the whole square. That is completing the square method. So what is our b? We are trying to find out. To find what is the value of b, we are dividing by 2. So b we got to be 6, so 6 squared. So w squared plus 12w plus 6 squared is equal to 40 plus 6 squared. Then we are going to simplify this. W squared plus 12w plus 36 is equal to 40 plus 6 squared is 36 here as well. And this we can write it as w plus 6 the whole square is equal to 40 plus 36 is equal to 76. Now 76 in radical form, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 8 is 16. So we'll just simplify this. 2 times 9 is 18. So this can be written as 2 root 19. To solve for w, what we can do is we can take the square root on both sides of this equation. So w plus 6 is equal to square root of 76, but plus or minus both. And that we simplified the 76 to 2 square root of 19 plus or minus 2 square root of 19. And now that means to get the value of w, either w plus 6 will be equal to positive 2 square root of 19, or the other solution w plus 6 will be equal to negative 2 square root of 19. Now we'll just subtract 6 on both sides. So one solution for w will be negative 6 plus 2 square root of 19. This is one solution. And the other solution, if you subtract 6, will be negative 6, negative 2 square root of 19. So one of these two we have to look from in the answer choices. So which is available? So you can see that negative 6 plus 2 root of 19 over here, this is matching. Negative 6 plus square root of 19, whereas this negative 6 minus 2 square root of 19, it's not available. A, if you see, it is having a positive 6, not a negative 6. So do not be confused by A. And clearly B and C are also not the answers. So only D is matching. So here we had to solve this quadratic, and we used the completing the squares method. You can even use the quadratic formula, whichever method you want. Here I have shown the completing the square method. So a little bit of radicals simplification also you need to be aware of.